Alright, so I'm back. Got the flares off. Got a little bondo on them. Got them. This is them sanded down to wet sanded with 320. And I still got a few more spots to go. Man, I got to come back and sand this out. I can still feel this a little bit and this little piece. So the sand those down, and this one I feel like is smooth everywhere. So I might add maybe a drop right here. I feel like a little crease, but other than that, this one is smooth, so this should be ready for primer. But I'm gonna go ahead and sand this part right here a little bit more. Then it'll be time to prime these and paint them. Stop them on there. I ordered some rivets. Went by Harbor Freight. They didn't have any the rivets that I needed, the screw-in rivets. So all they had was the ones that come with the rivet gun. I already got like 2 rivet guns, so I'm not buying a third just to get 5 more rivets. So I went ahead and ordered some, so hopefully they'll be here about a weekend. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and sand this some more. So these will be ready to be painted at least, so I can paint them without the rivets. And whenever the rivets come in, these are already painted, dry, ready to go. I can just walk up, put the rivets in, screw this to the car, be done, slap the wheels on. So yeah, that's what we on. Got some paint on here. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a perfect match, but it looks pretty close. So just letting this dry a little bit. I got a few more clear coats to drop on here, but had a couple bugs get stuck in here, but I got them out. But that's the downside of painting outside. But yeah, so hopefully this is pretty close to the right color. But I had some paint here that looked like it matched up pretty much perfect. Actually, it was some Rust-Oleum paint, but painted this little test piece before I sprayed the fenders, and looks pretty much the same color. So I was like, well, I mean, I can't tell it apart. It's a little different up here from about the same here, but top of this stuff and kind of faded a little bit. But even this, you know, with the fade, it still looks pretty close to the same color. So hopefully once these are on here, they blend in pretty good. But rivets should be here later this week. So this is what we got for now. Checking in. So I'm done for now, but these are dry enough to kind of mess with. I'm not gonna put it on just yet because I don't have the rivets in. So that'll be the next video. But this is pretty much straight. I'm coming back in a couple days. I'm gonna wet sand it a little bit and re-clear it. It started to get a little cool, so I don't know if you can see it, but I got a few haze spots in it from it was getting kind of late to start to cool down some. So I'm gonna wet sand this and re-clear it. But just for reference, this color is pretty much perfect. So I mean, pretty much the exact same color. So on the spots where it's not quite that color is in the spots where it hazed, which you can't really see it on the camera, I don't think, but I can see it. So get up close, you'll see it. So I'm gonna wet sand this down and re-clear it, like one solid clear coat without the haze marks in it. You can kind of see a little bit of the haze right there, like a little stripe going this way. But good thing is the color does match. So only thing I'm waiting for now is the rivets, which should be here in a couple days. So yeah, all right, so I'm busy today, so I can't do anything with this today. I got a car getting dropped off in a minute, get some wrap work done. So I will be back once it is time to mount these things.